Do you want to get $450 or more to watch videos for free? I'm sure you are. This is the way I'm going to show you right in this video, by which you can earn money online really fast, and you have to do is follow my instructions step by step, and then you can earn more than $450 just watching videos. Yeah, just stay together with me till the end to this video. But before I show you the method, welcome to another episode of Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Dash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. So to earn money from watching videos, you have to pick a website that I'm going to show you right now. You may already heard it, but the website is twitch.tv. Yes, this is the twitch.tv. This is the site that all over the world, all the gamers every day browse and watch gameplays every single day, and you can find many of them, many games related stream. Many gamers, many streamers all around the world are present in this website and uploads their videos to watch every single day. So what is the way, what is the catch? You can go, you can browse those streamers and you can watch those videos, but you cannot get paid for that. You can watch it for free, but how you can get paid with them? So just follow and listen to my step-by-step instructions, by which you can definitely earn great amount of money like $450 or more, definitely from Twitch video streaming and live videos like that. So what you can do, you just go to twitch.tv and you can see that there is a browse section here, and you can click on browse. If I click on browse, then this page will show up and it's showing all the categories. There are different kind of categories and based on games, and they are really sorting it out on popularity and recommendations. So for this purpose of this strategy, in this video I would like to show Valorant. Valorant is the really good and popular game right now, and you can pick this game. I recommend you pick this game right now to earn a good amount of money every day. So if I click on Valorant, this page will show up, and you can see they are showing live streamings right now. All are present here. But if I click on videos sections, then this page will show all the videos that are already streamed couple of days ago, and but those streams are also very popular and very high demand on every day. People are watching these videos. You can see that Valorant already has 10 million followers out there, and it's increasing day by day, and this is a big chance it will boost some more amount of followers in coming up few days. So all you have to do, jump back into this and you can follow the trend. You can go with the traffic it gets. So you can go over to their live sections and you can go over to their video sections. All are good to go with this strategy. So what you have to do, all you have to do is you just pick any video like this and go over to their page, and you have to copy this URL, and I'm going to show you the way using this video you can earn money, the way, the site that I'm going to show you right now, which is going to give you money for this video. So the site is shrinkearn.com. This is a really good site to earn money from shortened URL. Yes, you heard it already. This is the shortened URL site, and they shorts long and boring URLs into a very interesting one and very short. So they are really good in this business and they are really fast growing. You can see that they have already more than 500,000 members registered already, and their rankings is increasing day by day. They support many payment options like PayPal, Payer, Perfect Money, Web Money. The way you want, they will going to send that money to you. So what's the catch? How much money you can earn with this site? So if I go over to their publisher section here, this page will show that they are paying $3 minimum. This is the minimum payout you can request to earn money, and they are paying daily. But see the rating of thousands views. This is unbelievable. But this is for this type of countries, that if you can get those thousands views from these countries, then you can get $20, up to $20. But the reality is, you have to target top tier countries like United States, UK, Canada, and Australia, and countries like that. So for those countries, the best payout rate is $7 for per thousand views to your shortened link. But at least, no matter what countries you are getting traffic from, you can get $3 plus for 1,000 views to your shortened link. So this is a really good earning opportunity, earning sites for you. But well, how are you going to go? How are you going to work? So all you have to do, sign up here, input your email, password, and username, and you're good to go with them. And then go to twitch.tv and pick any videos, some 3 videos, and then click on share button here and click on this link, video link, and copy the link here, so that you can short this link to shrinkearn.com, and then you will going to get the shortened URL of that video link here. So you have to pick 3 videos from Valorant, which is any 3 videos. You can go over to their video sections, or you can go over to their live channel sections and pick any 3 videos that you like and that is popular right now. That is most important, popular video right now. So you pick the videos, go over to shrinkearn.com and shorten those 3 URLs and get those 3 links. And right now, then what you have to do, I'm going to show you how you can get traffic to these videos and using a simple posting templates that I'm going to show you right now. But before that, if you have not liked this video, please go down below, press the like button, and if you are not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you can get notified. So let's move on to the strategy. I have prepared a template, a posting template for you, which is for Valorant, which is Valorant post template, and I have explained a little brief introductions of the game, how these games works, what is the way to play these games. And you can see that I have written 2 paragraphs, and I said, like, if you don't want to miss Valorant in action, just click the link below and start watching. And those video 1, video 2, video 3, these are the video links that you have just shortened from ShrinkEarn. Just you paste them here in this video link sections in the post template, so you are good to go. So when you are ready with the shortened links already make by shrinkearn.com, the format of those post templates will look like this. So this is the ready-made template for you. You can write it in your own words, so that is what I recommend as well, so you can get better traffic, better publicity for this. So all you have to do is right now, to get traffic to these templates, you have to I'm going to show some sites, which is forums, gaming forums. First site is neogaf.com. This is a really top ranking gaming forum right now, and this is a really good forum where you can post your forum post or for your game with your links, and definitely people are going to watch that. But before that, you cannot spam, you cannot post links right away. All you have to do is take some times, just couple of weeks times, and register there, go over there regularly, post game related postings that people will love, add value to those posts, and reply to other people's posts, and say informative postings, not just spamming don't work, and not, you will get banned from all those boards. So all you have to do, start some posting there, get some people's attractions, and then after some times you will get more and more way to post your advertising, post your links to these forums. So all you have to do, you can see that there are lots of user posting game related post here, and then they are getting thousand view every single day, which is really great. The second site that I'm going to show you is gamespot.com forum. Gamespotforum.com is also a very good games forum, and you can go over to their forum sections and games discussion sections here, and you can see that lots of people every day posting game related posts, and they are getting thousands and thousands of views every day. And this post, if you post it once, it will stay forever if it's approved. And this is what you need, this is where you need the popularity, you need the base, so that you can posting things like that. You can just go register and right away post links there. It does not work like that. You have to be on those forums for some days and be regular on those forums, log in daily, read people's post and reply to them, and post something important, something informative. People know you, you get popularity, and then you can post something like this with the links in the below video section. And definitely from then, no matter what, if you reach those levels in these forums, you are really good to go with your strategy. And third but not the least forum that I'm going to show is PC Gamer. This is also a really great forum site that has lots of users every day watching and discussing various type of games. And if you go over to their general gaming sections, you can see that their general gaming sections is very good and very popular, and people's all around the world posting various game related posts every day. And you can see, you can post there as well, then definitely you will going to get thousands of views. And for those views, you are going to get $7, at least around $7 per thousand views. And for that, if you get those amount of views, thousands of views, 5,000, 10,000 views is really not that difficult from forums like this. So $450 per month or more is really not that difficult to earn. And you just follow what I say, and you just follow my template, and you are good to go. So guys, this is the way, this is the strategy. But every time I say this, you have to be active, then money will follow you. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe below, and see you in the next video. Till then, see you later, and thanks for watching.